Have you ever seen bees forcefully dragging their own brothers out of the hive? Right now, in Sydney's autumn, this is exactly what happens. Worker bees are actively removing drones, the male bees, from the colony. You might notice drones being pushed out the hive entrance, unable to re-enter, or even being denied food inside. But why such harsh treatment? Drones exist solely to mate with the queen, and with the mating season now over, they no longer serve a purpose. As nectar sources dwindle and cooler weather approaches, every drop of honey becomes precious. Drones don't gather food or help defend the hive, so the colony can't afford to feed extra mouths through winter. By removing drones, worker bees ensure only the essential members, queen, workers, and developing brood, stay warm and well-fed until spring returns. This behavior is a clear sign of a healthy, self-regulating hive preparing for the colder months ahead. It's one of the remarkable natural cycles we witness each autumn here at Bee-Croft Honey in Bee-Croft, Sydney.